In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a PowerPoint slide in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're prepping for a big presentation at work or school, or perhaps fine-tuning a personal project, having control over the detail on your slides can make a big difference. PowerPoint, the go-to software for creating engaging presentations, comes equipped with a nifty zoom feature that lets you dive into the specifics of your slides, or pull back to see the big picture. But if you're not yet familiar with how to harness this functionality, don't worry, we've got you covered. We begin with the very first action you'll take, opening Microsoft PowerPoint. It might sound straightforward, but it's the gateway to getting your presentation polished to perfection. Navigate to your desktop, start menu, or taskbar wherever your application lives, and fire up PowerPoint. You'll be greeted with a variety of options, from starting a new presentation to opening an existing one. Once the application loads, you'll see the opening screen where your recent documents and various templates are displayed. This screen is like the power center for starting your PowerPoint journey. Here you want to open your file, the presentation you intend to work on. Click on the specific file if it's visible in the recent documents, or navigate to the folder where it's saved by selecting Open and browsing your computer's contents. Opening your file brings you a step closer to enhancing your presentation. After your presentation loads, you'll be presented with the slides pane on the left-hand side. These are the stars of the show, the slides you've crafted. To zero in on a specific slide, simply click on it. This action highlights the slide you're focusing on and prepares PowerPoint for the zoom action that's next on our agenda. Zooming into your slide is where the magic happens. It gives you the ability to focus in on details or adjust elements with precision. To get to this function, look towards the bottom right area of your PowerPoint window. You'll notice a zoom scroll bar. This is your tool for bringing your slide closer or taking a step back. The interface here is intuitive. A simple slider that's waiting for your command. To zoom in, to get a close-up view of your content, all you have to do is scroll to the left on this zoom scroll bar. As you drag the slider left, you'll notice the content on your slide starts to magnify, allowing you to see the finer points and details with greater clarity. This action is particularly helpful when you're adjusting intricate designs, aligning text just right, or simply want to inspect your work up close. Now, here's a tip to enhance your zooming experience. While using the zoom feature is incredibly straightforward, you might sometimes need a bit more precision in your zoom level than the slider readily provides. In such instances, don't overlook the option to enter a specific zoom percentage. Next to the zoom slider, there's a percentage indicator. Clicking on this allows you to type in the exact zoom level you desire, giving you pinpoint control over how much you zoom in or out on your slide. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to zooming in on a PowerPoint slide. With this knowledge, you're well prepared to dive into the deepest details of your presentation, ensuring every element is just right. PowerPoint's zoom feature not only aids in the precise development and refinement of your slides, but also ensures your audience's attention is captured by your well-crafted presentation. Remember, the magic of a powerful presentation lies in the details, and being able to zoom in on your PowerPoint slides is a fundamental skill in bringing these details to life. Practice this feature, familiarize yourself with its nuances, and you'll be showcasing engaging, detail-rich presentations in no time. That wraps up our tutorial for today. We've walked through the steps of opening PowerPoint, selecting your file, choosing your slide, navigating to the zoom scroll bar, and precisely zooming in to perfect your presentation. I hope you found this video instructional and insightful. Keep perfecting those slides, and make your next presentation your best one yet. Thank you for watching.